How much money should I save up before investing in real estate? Peter Abulzolov says, this question is asked a lot by beginner real estate investors. The truth is, there is no general or universal amount of money that is needed to start investing. It all depends on a number of factors like the type of property you want to invest in. Is it a single-family or multi-family home? Is it a condo or an entire apartment building? There's so many types of investment properties that a real estate investor could choose from, and they differ in size, costs of management, and of course they don't cost the same amount of money to purchase. The investing strategy you're following. Just as there are various types of investment properties, there is also a number of different investing strategies. For example, a real estate investor might purchase an investment property and hold it for a few years, then sell it later on in the future. Buy and hold. Another investor might prefer buying a cheap investment property that needs renovations, work on rehabbing it, and then quickly sell it, fix and flip. Another investing strategy is wholesaling, where an investor doesn't need to spend any money. A wholesaler's job is to find sellers, write a contract, and then find a buyer, sell him, her the contract. The location, local real estate market, location determines supply and demand in real estate investing. When the demand for properties is high but properties are limited, prices shoot up. On the other hand, when the number of available investment properties increases to surplus the real estate market, prices typically drop. Financing method. A real estate investor could pay for the purchase of an investment property fully in cash. Alternatively, she could take out a mortgage from a bank and pay 20% of the purchase price as down payment, while the bank covers the rest of the amount. In this case, it'll cost the real estate investor a lot less money to start investing. However, she will have make monthly mortgage payment to pay for the 80%. This is actually the most common way investors finance their investments. Other financing methods include private moneylenders and hard money lenders. Landly AI says, it depends on what form of investment you plan on doing. You probably don't need me to tell you that if you're buying a house that you'll need a lot of money for it. The more disposable income you have for your investment, the more options you have. Buying property is exceptionally costly, as is the work you'll be doing to the property if your plan is to sell it as a fixer-upper or rent it out. Even if you just plan on living in it and paying your mortgage, that's a long-term plan for paying off the investment. At minimum, for any of these you'd need tens of thousands of dollars, and that can spiral into hundreds of thousands quickly. Who has that sort of cash just hanging around? REITs are a good option for those who don't have the funds capable of buying property but are still interested in real estate as an investment option. For a REIT on the lower end, you may be looking at $500. It's significantly lower than other real estate investments, plus you have the potential for dividends on them as well. Often these will cost somewhere in the thousands though, as will using online platforms for real estate investments. So if you're looking for somewhere to start, you should try to have at least $1,000 to $2,000 saved up for a possible investment. Bruce Feldman says, not much. Anyone can invest in real estate by buying shares of a real estate investment trust, REIT, many of which are publicly traded on stock exchanges. One can also invest in real estate with no money at all, by becoming a partner with others in an arrangement known as sweat equity. Many small investors have plenty of money to buy real estate but have neither the time, skills, experience or inclination to manage the property effectively. Thanks for watching our video on how much money should I save up before investing in real estate?